What is up, guys? It is 4Aqua935 here, and this is a vlog right now. So first of all, as you see from the title of the screen, we are going to make a video about what does a pet bird do on their spare time. Like, I'm going to video my grandparents' pet bird for 5 minutes to see what he does, because people say birds do nothing. I'm going to prove to you birds do something. So, yeah. So I am going to go in the house and show you. I'm going to show you my bird real quick. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys. So we are here right now. There's my bird. Well, not my bird, my grandparents' bird. So we are going to film this bird for 5 minutes to see what he does. See what he does. So I'll show you what he does. I'll prove to you that birds do something. So let's get it on. Yes.
Are you taking no marbles out of that?
No, it dropped.
Well, do that.
I already did.
Well, let's find that bird out here. Those marbles burn.
I'm not gonna let the bird out.
What are you doing? are you doing? Cub! Where are you at? I'm sorry, my cub.
Okay, as you can see, I might have been wrong. That's probably what a bird does on this 5 minutes. So yeah, basically. So as you can see, that's what a bird does on its spare time. Barely anything. Okay, so anyway, that's the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed. And the next video, I'm going to do a Slither.io video because I finally got Slither.io. So, that's all I got to say for this video. Like, subscribe, and that's all I got to say for this video. So, that's all I got to say. So, bye guys. See you next time. Peace.